All Party Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said the Kashmiris will keep treading the path of the iconic leader Syed Ali Geelani till freedom from the Indian yoke is achieved, as New Delhi will never be able to erase the Kashmiris' love for the veteran leader. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Syed Ali Geelani was not just a personality but an institution. Despite door-to-door hunt by the Indian police, posters reading with "Haidarpura Chalo" slogans have once again appeared in the various parts of the occupied Kashmir in connection with the upcoming second anniversary of the legendary Kashmiri leader Syed Ali Geelani, falling on Friday, September 1st. Jammu Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has appealed to the people to march towards Haidarpura, Srinagar on 1st September to pay tribute to the icon of the Kashmir resistance movement, Syed Ali Geelani, on his second martyrdom anniversary. In a statement issued in Srinagar today, the DFP spokesman Advocate Arshad Iqbal said that the deceased leader was a strong proponent and a fearless advocate of the Kashmiris' right to self-determination. Flags of Pakistan were waved in different areas of the Poonch and Rajouri districts. These flags were spotted and recovered in the twin districts of Poonch and Rajouri, the Indian official said. Hindutva Brahmin goons ruthlessly assaulted a 14-year-old Dalit student and his grandmother in the Tamil Nadu state of India. The Brahmin upper caste Hindutva men beat up the Dalit boy when the Dalit boy entered into a verbal spat with an intermediate caste boy, leading to a brawl in a government school bus. Caretaker Human Rights Minister Mishal Hussain Malik on Monday said that the international community should hold India accountable for human rights violations in Jammu and Kashmir. While talking to a private news channel, she said Kashmiris must be given the right to decide for their fate like all other nations. Hindutva goons attacked a Muslim shrine in Uttarakhand state of India and razed it to the ground. The video of the incident is making rounds on social media. The incident took place at Amit Gram in Rishikesh area of the Uttarakhand state.